What's up guys, welcome to another vlog. Today I'll be cleaning some Air Force sneakers. These ones, I'm gonna clean them using this tool. It's a hot steamer, so I'm not gonna use anything else but a brush and the hot steamer. So I think we're gonna see how it goes. It's just using hot water. So no no detergent, so no soap or anything else. I'm just gonna clean it using hot water, and it's the first time using it, so I thought let's do it. Do a vlog. I'm doing it in English, so the subtitles in Dutch you can find below, and of course you can also subscribe if you're here for the first time. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell, of course. I bought the hot steamer from Lidl, so it was a good bargain. So you can use it to clean everything else, for example the bathroom or whatever. But I just bought it to clean my sneakers, so let's see how it goes. As you can see, the sneaker is almost white again, or it is white. A few stains right over there and I couldn't reach it with steamer. But for the rest, it's almost clean. So it's not perfectly clean because I didn't use a toothbrush or any detergents. So I think it's worked well for what I did at the moment, for only using hot water and the steamer. I think in the future I'm going to use a brush as well to do the rough edges, and maybe some sneaker cleaner that I got from Sneaker Lab. But for now I think it's a good result. Not to forget, I didn't do the laces. I didn't take them out, and I didn't do the inner sole because I only wanted to try the steamer on the outer shoe, so the sole and the rest of the leather, and so not the inner sole of the shoe and the laces. So I'm probably going to do that next time. What do you guys think? Leave a comment in the comment section. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and otherwise just let me know what I could do differently. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time with the next sneaker.